Your Ford F-150 already works hard, but hauling longer cargo, loose gear, or weekend adventure supplies can still turn the truck bed into a headache. A solid bed extender solves that problem by adding extra hauling space and keeping cargo from sliding everywhere. Today we're checking out some of the best F-150 bed extenders out there, and yep, all the product links are waiting for you down in the video description. Starting things off with the Trumgeta bed extender. This one brings serious flexibility to the truck bed game. It flips outward to create extra cargo length or rotates inward to become a divider for groceries, coolers, and gear. What really makes it stand out are the built-in MUL panels, giving you modular mounting options for bags, recovery gear, and accessories. Reviews praise the sturdy aluminum build and reduced rattling, though drilling is required for installation. Rolling in at number 4, the HQPASFY bed extender is aimed at F-150 owners wanting a more factory-style setup without blowing the budget. Built from fiberglass reinforced polypropylene, it feels tough while staying lightweight. The extender flips outward to add about 18 inches of extra cargo room or inward to secure smaller loads. Buyers appreciate the OEM style fit and included inserts, making installation cleaner and more straightforward. Coming in at number 3, the genuine Ford Classic Design bed extender keeps things simple and proven. The classic U-shaped layout adds up to 2 feet of enclosed cargo space with the tailgate down, while also working as a containment barrier when flipped inward. The rugged aluminum construction keeps corrosion away and maintains easy handling. Owners love the factory appearance and how naturally it blends into the F-150 bed setup. Sliding into number 2, the SZYANG bed extender adds a clever twist by doubling as more than just a cargo extension. Besides securing oversized loads with the tailgate lowered, it can convert into a camping or work table once removed. That makes it especially popular with campers, overlanders, and job site users. The aerospace-grade aluminum construction resists corrosion, while the mounting grid gives extra flexibility for tools and accessories. And finally, number 1 goes to the genuine Ford Foldable Design bed extender. And honestly, it earns that spot through smart engineering and factory refinement. This OEM setup extends cargo length by another 2 feet while still helping secure smaller items when the tailgate is closed. Owners really like the theft-resistant design, adjustable strap latches, and easy angle release brackets. Plus, keeping taillights visible during use adds an extra layer of safety and practicality. That wraps up our picks for the best Ford F-150 bed extenders worth checking out. Whether you need extra hauling length, better cargo control, or a setup ready for work and weekend adventures, there's a solid option here for your truck. Don't forget, all the product links are down in the video description, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more F-150 upgrades, reviews, and cool truck gear.